Hello. In today's video, we are going to look at how Meet is directly integrated within your Gmail. First and foremost, we're going to look at the Meet section here in the right panel. And last but not least, we're also going to look at how Meet is integrated within chats. First of all, you can always create a new Meet if you fancy. From here, you can copy paste the information, you can invite people, and you can last but not least, join the Meet which you just created. Second of all, you can click on My Meetings. In here, you will have access to all the meetings that you have scheduled. You can also, once again, create a new meeting or join a new meeting. Last but not least, Meet is also integrated within chat. So for this, you simply need to click on the chat of the person, go to the plus, and then you are able to start a meet by simply clicking on the video meet, which will then create the meet for them. If not, what you can also do is by clicking on the plus, you can schedule a meet in the agenda. And that is how Meet is integrated directly within your Gmail. Thank you very much. Have a good day.